Good morning. I hope you all can hear me, everyone. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, so uh, let us start with the class today. Today, I am going to show you how you can search in the internet satellite images. Okay? It is remote sensing satellite images. So first of all, please pay attention to the video. You have to go to Google, and then in Google there are various sites, but one of the easy way to search satellite images to go for Art Explorer. So when you type EARTHEXPLORER, okay, then enter. Then you have to go to this site in Art Explorer. You can open it in the window. And then first of all, you have to register itself there. So if you are new to this site, you will be asked some questions and then your emails. So please register yourself in Art Explorer. So I already have registered and then I have logged in using my username and password. So once you are successfully logged in, you will see your name appearing here. So I am logged in here as Dr. Arnold. Okay. Okay. So next thing is we have to search in our own area or whatever area of interest we have. So can you tell me some area, suggest me some area? So I have people from all over Northeast India here. Mistaken? Seeing people. Paschimnath, Jinatra. So Jinatra, can you hear me? Where are you from?
Sir, sir?
Yeah. Where are you from?
Yes,
Where are you from?
sir, Dorong district, sir.
Dorong
Mangalore.
district. Okay, Mangalore.
Dorong Yes, sir.
Do we have someone from Nagaland or from Manipur? Okay, anyway, so first of all, you have to select your own area where you need your image. For that, you can go to this left hand side of the screen and then click here, select a geocoding method, then go to address slash place. Okay. Then here I can put the name of the place. So for example, uh, if I happen to do a research on, suppose, some areas from Northeast India. So someone can you suggest me some area where you think you have a remote sensing image required for disaster monitoring?
From Northeast, right?
Yes,
From Northeast, we have any area, right?
any area where you think there is a disaster situation.
So Imphal, will that work?
Imphal, okay, okay. So let us go to Imphal. Okay, IMPHAL, Imphal. And then click on show. So here you see Imphal, Manipur, India. So this is the latitude, this is the longitude. So I click here, and then you see Imphal we have the Loktak Lake, right? If anyone is from Nepal, probably you will know. So you see, this is the airport, and this is the city of Impal. Uh, so let us make it the point that we are going to look for a satellite image of the Loktak Lake. Okay, so this is the Loktak Lake. Can you see it here on the screen? Hmm. So I am interested to study the Loktak Lake from with the use of a satellite image. So first of all, I am going to search the image of this area. So for that, I again go back to the left hand side. I zoom into this study area, and then I will say use map. Click on this use map. So once I click, the screen has become red. That means if I zoom out, this is my search area. Okay, so this search area is defined by this red boundary, and then for the boundary we have the specific latitude and longitudes. Okay, so for this area now, I will be searching the image. Okay, so what kind of an image I am going to search? For that, I will go to data set. You can see it on the screen, left hand upper corner. I go to data set. In the data set, we have various satellites. You see the list is here, and then particularly I will be interested to find the one digital elevation and then one Landsat image. Okay. Forget about the digital elevation for the time being. So let us go look for a Landsat image. So Landsat is the satellite that we have been discussing mostly. It can give you images starting from 1972. So if you're interested to know how this Loktak Lake has changed from 1972, probably you can go there and then click on this image. So you see, there are different levels of satellite data. There is Landsat Legacy, and then starting from you can say EPM Plus, which gives you an image from 1999 to 2003. And if you need an image which is farther older, then you can go for thematic maper mosaics, and then you can see the dates and then the duration from there. Okay, apart from that, we have various other satellites which also this image is available. Images are available. Uh, for the time being, let me search a very recent image from Landsat. So I'll go to Landsat selection, then I'll click on Landsat 8 OLI PIRS C1 level 1. So that is the name of the sensor, OLI and PIRS. So Landsat 8, I will click here, and then I will say results. I'll click on results. Okay. We'll search. Now you see on the left hand side of the screen, I have these images. So you have a footprint which allows you to get an idea about the place of the image, where it is coming from. So if you click on that, you will see that this is the first image footprint. Okay, so even before you download the data, you can click on the footprint and then see if this footprint is actually coming from your study area or not. So it seems this footprint is actually coming from the study area, and this is a very recent image. Can you see the date, acquisition date here? So this image is actually an image which was captured yesterday, 26th October 2020. Can you see that on the screen? So I click show browser overlay. So this is the image. Okay, I zoom in, and then I see that the image actually has a lot of clouds. You see it on the screen. Can you see it on the screen? So this is an image which has got a lot of clouds. So this image, even if I download, probably will not be really used for my study purpose because it has got a lot of clouds. You see these white patches, these are all clouds. So that is the reason I will again search for a different image where there is a less cloud cover. Okay, so I just select this. I can go back to this another second image, which is of 10 of February 2020. I click on the footprint and I see okay. So this is the same condition. This image also has a lot of cloud. So probably if I am interested to go for an image which is having less cloud cover, then maybe this is one of the images. There you see 1 April 2020, January, February, March, April. Okay, so this means 1st April 2020. So let us click on the footprint. Okay, this is where my study area also is located, and this is the browser overlay. Let us see the quality of the image first. So this is an exceptionally clear image. Here you can see where you can see the image without any clouds. So you see, so this is the image, and then this is Manipur's Loktak Lake. So this is the lake which the image is captured on April 4, April 1, 2020. So if you think that this image is useful for your purpose, then you can go to this download option. Okay, so I click here on the download option, loading download option. So there are many download options which are available. First one is color composite, color image, which is relatively smaller size. You see, this is only 6.74 megabyte. Then you have only the thermal image, that is band number 6. If you are interested, you can download this second. If you are looking for a better quality JPEG image, then probably going for this production. But the kind of image that I am interested in is I need the different bands. Okay, so I have to go for the last option. You see, level 1 GOT data product. So if I click download for this image, I will get all the bands downloaded separately. All the bands is this information which has been captured either in the blue band or green or red or near infrared, so on and so forth. Okay, so I will prefer to download this last image. That means this last option of this image. But you see the size is very big, almost 900 megabytes. So it will take a lot of time depending on the speed of the internet. So I go to download. Okay, just wait for some time. This all depends on the speed of the internet. Okay, at the time this allows you to download. This is your link for the attendance thing. Okay, so you see now this image is getting downloaded here. Can you see it on my computer screen on the left side? Hello.
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Yes. Okay, so this is the image. So it says around 12 minutes left with this speed. It will take about 15 to 12 minutes because it's almost 900 MB. It will take some time. Okay, so by the time I download this image, I will show you what other options you have. So this includes data set. I can download or I can search the digital elevation model. So if you have listened to the class earlier, uh, you have probably heard about this word known as EEM. So this stands for digital elevation model. So what is a digital elevation model? So digital elevation model basically is the undulations of the ground. If I talk about this area near the North Lake, so which area has higher elevation? Which area is having elevation? What are the ups and the downs? So this is a very important data set, particularly for any applications. If you know about the topography of the area, you can plan many things. It also helps you to model such things, particularly if you are interested in studying watershed management or if you are interested to know the slope of the land for certain purposes. Nowadays, it is very easy for get a decent elevation of the area. So basically, this is also a raster data set. That means it will talk about in terms of grids. It will mostly about the grids. That means with a raster data set, you have lines and columns, this, rows and columns. That means these are all pixels, PXLS. And unlike in an
So you're
optical image,
audible properly. Your voice is unclear. Not clear.
okay, is it clear now?
Better, sir.
Better? Okay, so please
Yes, sir.
tell me
Now it's
whenever
working
you
properly.
don't hear, please tell me. So, unlike an optical image, a digital elevation model contains the elevations. So, it will contain the information about elevation, E-L-E-V-A-E-I-O-N, elevation. So, elevation means the height of a particular pixel. So, normally the height is measured from the mean sea level. Okay, so the height is measured from the mean sea level. So normally in a Landsat image, what we get is the energy or the amount of energy that is either reflected or scattered or emitted from that particular area or box on the ground. But in a digital elevation model, what is being measured is the height of the particular normally in case of India and the subcontinent, the mean sea level is assumed to be a sea level at Karachi. Karachi is not Pakistan. That is what we known as the data. So let us try to get a glimpse of the undulations in and around the local lake that is near Manipur. Okay, so for the time being, let this image get downloaded, and then I go to digital elevation section. In digital elevation section, there are also different satellites which we have data, but I will go for this particular satellite known as SRTM. So what is SRTM? Okay, I'll show you here. SRTM stands for Subtle Radar Topographic Mission. Okay, so if you go to Google, you can type SRTM. These are all satellites. So it says SRTM. This is known as the Subtle Radar Topographic Mission. So this satellite was launched by NASA. So you can have a detailed information about this. Okay, let me just read out for you. So what does it say? On September 23, 2014, the White House announced that the highest resolution photographic data generated from NASA's Shuttle Radar photographic mission in 2000 was released globally by late 2015. This announcement. So basically, this is a satellite which is capturing data from the year 2000. So this is what kind of data? These are the data related to the elevation, all the undulations on the ground. Normally, in civil engineering or in surveying, you may have seen people who stand by the road with the theodolite, some other person who is moving the stuff at the other end, or sometimes nowadays they carry a total station. So these people are engaged in measuring the heights, all the undulations near the road. So they have to construct or elevate the road. So this is the same kind of information which is being given by the satellite. Okay? And then this information comes globally. So anywhere in the world, there is no place where you will not get this information, except in the sea areas. So wherever there is land, we will get a satellite image of SRTM. So normally the SRTM has a data set of 90 meter by 90 meter. That was earlier. That means one pixel size was 90 meter length, 90 meter wide. That was the earlier. But recently uh, they have refined this data set, and now this data is available for even smaller or higher resolution. That means now 90 meter data set is available in 30 meter by 30 meter. So as you have known already, if the pixel resolution gets higher, the gravity increases, or the information comes in the whole image. So that means earlier, the closer resolution image is now uplifted to higher resolution image. So that means you get more information. Now the information is available every 30 meters. So imagine 30 meter area around your place where you take 30 meter long, wide, and long. Okay? So wherever you are standing, if you want to know the height of the area, you can download the satellite image, particularly the SRT, and then click on that pixel, and you will see this information. So let us try to find out this information for in and around some place in Manipur. Okay, so I click SRTM, which I click 1 arc second global data. So 1 arc second means, how do I say? So if you travel along the equator, that means that relationship, find out how much is 1 second or 1 arc second. Okay, so this is the definition of distance that is measured. So normally 1 arc second is almost 30 meters. 30 meter, meter. So it says SRT 30 meter by 30 meter data will be available. Click on that, and then you go to the results. Now here I should be getting the SRT data. So if you see now there is a different kind of data which is now shown. Click on the footprint. Okay, so this is actually covering the local lake. Then this is the total coverage of this data set. So you see this is this much of land, this much of time. So I go to the download option again, and I can go to download the geotick data. Geotick data, okay, that is 1 arc second. You see the size of the image. This image is much smaller than the length of the image. Why? Because this image is not only one band. Where in the single band it stores this information related to the elevation or the heights of the particular area. So I go to download again, and download this image as well. So let this download start. So you see now these two images are being downloaded right now. So on the left hand side, this is the SRTM image. On the right, this is the Landsat image. Okay, now coming to the software. So as I said before, I want you to practice these things together because that will give you an added advantage that will give you a clear idea about what work actually you need to doing to learn this uh, subject. So for that, if you are sitting in front of the computer, I will suggest you go to Google. You can go to QGIS. Okay, go there. Okay, so QGIS. Go to download QGIS, and I suggest you go to the standalone installer versions. So the recent version for QGIS was 64-bit machine 2.16, and we have a 32-bit machine, then you can download this 2.16, this version. So please do it with me. So if you are using the Windows-based system, of course, if you are using Linux or Apple computers, you have to put this pages. So let us click on my machine is a 32-bit machine. So probably your machines are 64-bit machines. So I click here on the 32-bit version, and you see how this is also getting downloaded. This is the exe software. Okay, so if I finish downloading all this script, I am going to use another software, which is also a very powerful software. The name of the software is ArcGIS. Sadly, this is not an open source software. So if I download QGIS, I'm going to open these images in this software. So you just have to look at the time being. Let me launch the software. Okay, so this is almost downloaded. Yes, this is already downloaded. I open the folder. is my image. This N24E093, 1R3. That means these are the grids from where this image is coming. So N24 is north 24, east is 93 degrees longitude, north 24 degree latitude. Then this is 1 arc second that is circulated by the computer, and then this is version 3 image which is provided by NASA. Here. Here with some time. This is the big software that is first launched. So do you have any questions till now?
So the ArcGIS and the QGIS are two different things, right, sir?
Yes, exactly. ArcGIS is the software which is developed by the city. It is RI. So the city is a private company, and then the city has developed ArcGIS, and then the recent version of ArcGIS is ArcGIS 10.7. So they also have ArcGIS Pro version, which is prepared in Netflix. But if I suggest and recommend this software to you, probably it would be quite very expensive unless I can use the correct version. Then I can do that. So for that limitation, I will suggest everyone in the class to download QGIS. So QGIS is a freeware and open source software. So QGIS, you can, if you are a developer, you can also put it in tools which people are actually doing. So since I cannot recommend to download the cracked version or the pirated version of ArcGIS, that's why I have asked all of you to download the QGIS. This is freeware. It means you are free to download it, you are free to distribute it, you are free to install it, and you can use it for any purpose and do research work. And about it, if you know the programming language Python, you can develop your own tools with QGIS. Yeah? You can also contribute to the QGIS community. So that is a very big advantage for learners or the first time learners like like you. So please download the QGIS installer file. So this site I can copy and then give the link again to everyone to download this. So, but before that, make sure that your computer is either 64-bit or 32-bit. Accordingly, you download this 32-bit installer file or 64-bit installer file. If you are using the wrong file for installation, it will not work. Okay? So that you make sure. So how you will check that? If you are using this, I am using Windows 8.1. So I have this PC. I click on that, or you can go to my computer if you are using Windows 10. Right click on the properties, then you can check by yourself. This system type 32-bit operating system. So I am using a 32-bit operating system. That's why I am downloading this 32-bit installer file. Okay. Our image is downloaded. Our software has been launched. So I will show you now. Uh, this is ArcGIS. So even if you don't have the software, don't worry. Drag and drop. So this is my file. Raster.zip. Drag it here. Yes. Then this image is loaded. Remember, this is a satellite image of the undulations of the earth. We looked at. Okay, so this is loaded. You see, what do we see here on the left hand side of the screen? My lowest elevation is 6 meters, and my highest elevation is 2,200, 2,326 meters from the mean sea level. You can change these colors for a better visual interpretation. Okay. So these red color areas are mostly the mountains, and then the hills. Then the lower elevations are shown in green color. Zoom in. As I said before, these are all raster files. That means these will also have grids. So can you see these square boxes? So I use this tool of identify to click on a particular box, and I get a value. So here, for this particular box, says stretched value is 152, my pixel value is 1099. So the elevation of this particular pixel from the mean sea level is 1099 meters. That means whatever data we are using, then for India, this particular datum is known as WCS 1984. Okay, so this is mean sea level. So this is a separate discussion, but anyway, that means from certain datum or certain uh, zero level we are measuring these heights. So this has a pixel elevation of 1099, another pixel is now 1064, again 1140. That means some areas are higher, some areas are lower. So this is the kind of information that we get from this kind of a satellite data. This is known as a digital elevation model. Okay. See? So in some areas near the Loktak Lake, so this is Loktak Lake, we have a very low elevation. Probably if I click here, see, this is 805, another one 770, 769, 775. Okay. So our lowest elevation of the whole image is 6 meters, and the highest elevation is 336 meters. Okay, so this is all about the SRT data. And in the next class, I think this class is going to be finished soon. I will show you whatever we have downloaded using the Lancet dataset, and then I will use QGIS. So by the time, please download QGIS, then install it in your own machines. Can you do that? Hello?
Yes,
See,
sir.
yeah, good. Because if you want to learn something new, apart from whatever you are learning, this is the time of scope. So you can learn many new things. I know this subject is more e-commerce or it's a very different ground, but believe me, you get an ample of opportunities throughout this whole session. To just practice this technique. It's a very exciting thing. And then eventually you will get a chance to learn about how you can implement this in your social science, risk management, and the whole thing. It includes floods, natural disaster preparedness, and then you see you can analyze this setting by yourself. This small tools will be available here. just stop for the time being. We have about 2 minutes left. So if you have any questions, you can ask. And by tomorrow, I think this will be downloaded. So then I will show you different bands. And then I will also show you how to download the uh, vector data or the shape files for different countries, for India, maybe for different states,